Hey, here's a detailed look at using an action hoe, which can make weeding a much easier process and easier on your body. Now, this tool has several names: action hoe, hula hoe, stirrup hoe are some of the more common ones. It's used pulling or pushing along the surface of the dirt, and it grabs weeds along the way. It takes a little finesse to do it properly, but you're able to usually pull roots out along with the top of the weed once you get the hang of it. For things like dandelions, I often angle the tool slightly and get the tool right up to the main stem of the plant and pull and twist at the same time. Gentle twist, gentle pull. Be strong enough with your pull that it comes out, but you don't have to like really yank it or really try and pull super hard on it. If you do pull too hard, you probably will just cut the top off and the roots will stay in the ground. If I'm doing something like grass, I put the tool flat along the dirt and I pull until I get the weeds of the grass out along with the grass. You can push the tool as well, although I find it more difficult to get roots out when pushing. With an action hoe, you're able to pull unwanted plants and weeds without getting on your hands and knees and without getting too dirty. It makes it easier if you water the area first. Roots will typically come out easier when you are weeding if the ground is wet than if the ground is dry. Action hoes can be found at most big box stores as well as online through Amazon. Check the link in the description for tools available from Amazon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks and happy weeding.